young children are heading to Springdale, Fayetteville area today, which is about 45 minutes to an hour away. We gotta get laundry done, we gotta get some groceries, and I think we're gonna try to hit up a skate park. Adri is staying to hang out with her girlfriends, having some girl time, which she's been seriously lacking in lately. And Michael is helping our friend today, whose property we're staying on. He's helping him with some shop work and stuff. So it's Toby and me with all the kids.
Laundromat that has a playground inside.
Yeah, and it's so fun. They have tires and so scary. Hello, Mama.
Hello. We're at the laundromat in Springdale, Arkansas. And I have to say, this is one of Springdale's best kept secrets.
My goodness.
This laundromat is the best laundromat I've been to in my life, in my kids' life. And everybody gets excited to go here. We're about to show you why. What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
It's easy to walk up that slide and down that one. You have to go up harder to get to that slide.
Oh.
Watch me.
Okay.
Watch that.
Sometimes I fold it here, but today I'm going to take it home and I'll get Adri to fold it. Since she got the day off, she didn't have to come and do any of the other work. Alright. So I also have a TV here. When you're doing your laundry, you can see the kids playing in the playground. So if you're leaving them in there, you can still see what's going on with them. It's a really great feature. I've never seen another laundromat like this place. Alright guys, time to go. Ripstick, got the kids' scooters. Second.
Can't you take that?
There you go. Oh, and a crash. Yeah.
Oh, ouch. What's he doing? Whoa, is that spin?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
making groceries. We got yogurt, which is for tomorrow, and chicken. What else did we get?
Lots of veggies and oranges.
Yep, oranges, cabbage.
Oh my god! You did it! Yeah!
I did it!
You did it!
I did it!
You did it! So this road that we're on right now is the road to our friend's house, and we drove our 15-passenger van with our Airstream down this road. But not only did we do that, we actually have driven our bus down this road. So you can kind of see what this is like and some of the adventures we go on as a family. It's a little bit crazy to take a coach bus on, but
It's a little bit crazy for this van.